Ladies and gentlemen, it is my great pleasure to address you at the inaugural European Summer School on Artificial Intelligence. You are embarking on a week of intensive courses and networking focused on AI. I'm confident that the organizers have worked diligently to prepare an excellent program that covers a wide range of AI topics. I hope that after a week of hard work, you will expand your knowledge, broaden your perspectives, and forge new friendships and networks that may lead to future research or business partnerships. I have decided to accept the invitation of the organizers to address you because AI is already fundamentally transforming the way we work and live, and because I believe that you in positions you hold or will be holding are important partners in addressing the challenges and opportunities AI is bringing. While AI has been with us for some time, recent applications available to the general public have sparked a public debate on the far-reaching implications of AI. How should we harness the power of AI? Is it altering human creativity? What are the implications of AI on education? What will happen to numerous white-collar jobs that were once considered immune to automation? What are the risks associated with AI applications pursued by businesses driven by their own goals? How should we utilize AI in the public sector? For us, Europeans, there is also the question of how we can protect our values in this rapidly changing world. How should we respond to these and many other questions on a policy level? As you may already know, the European Commission adopted an AI strategy 5 years ago. Its objectives include enhancing the EU's technological and industrial capacities, as well as promoting AI adoption across the economy, both in the private and public sector. To achieve this, we need to increase investments in research and innovation and ensure better transparency of algorithms. Additionally, we must prepare for the socio-economic changes brought about by AI, considering the opportunities and challenges it presents in education, the labor market, social protection system, and other areas of the public sector. We also need to establish an appropriate ethical and legal framework based on European values and aligned with the Charter of Fundamental Rights of the EU. The EU and the Council of Europe are the forefront of regulating artificial intelligence. I believe that the risk-based approach is the correct one, striking the right balance by enabling research and development, implementing checks and balances for higher risk applications, and outright banning applications that are unacceptable and contradict our values. Yes, we in the European Union are taking a global lead on AI regulation, and we should take pride in this because we must safeguard our values and way of life, rather than being at the mercy of big businesses driven by specific goals and private interests. We should not fear this responsibility. Let us consider what we achieved with the General Data Protection Regulation, where we innovated with the new regulations that were desperately needed and showed the way forward to the entire free-thinking world. Being an expert in GDPR, I just would like to add something extra to my speech. This is not going to be translated on a screen. But I was part of this GDPR process, part of the regulating process. And I don't know whether you know, but GDPR has a world record in number of amendments which were put into the European Parliament before the GDPR was enacted. And the number was 3,999. So GDPR is still a world record holder. One of the significant challenges we will face in the shortage of specialists in these fields. As mentioned, AI is already extensively used, and the demand for trained professionals is expected to continue growing. Part of the solution to this challenge lies in events like the workshop you are attending. In addition, we must explore how to attract more girls to STEM, that's science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. With regards to Europe, how to create favorable conditions for attracting skilled labor to our continent. Lastly, I would like to say a few words about Slovenia and its involvement in AI. Slovenia has made significant contributions to the field of artificial intelligence. Our country has a long history of active engagement in AI research, with Slovenian scientists participating in international projects as early in 1970s and 1980s. You may have heard of Professor Ivan Bratko, an internationally recognized scientist and professor in this field. Slovenian researchers have specialized in various AI domains such as machine learning, natural language processing, and computer vision, resulting in innovative solutions and contributions in these areas. Slovenia was among the first countries to introduce formal education program in AI. Slovenian companies have also actively engaged in AI research and development, establishing AI departments and developer teams to tackle complex challenges using AI technologies. I'm particularly delighted that Slovenia has become a hub for AI startups, focusing on cutting-edge technologies such as autonomous driving systems, smart homes, and data analytics. As a testament to Slovenia's commitment to AI, UNESCO established the International Research Center on Artificial Intelligence in Slovenia in 2020. Overall, Slovenia has made remarkable progress in the field of AI, with its researchers contributing to algorithms and methods, hosting significant conferences, and cultivating an environment of innovation. The Slovenian government also recognizes the importance of AI and has incorporated it into the national digitalization strategy, encouraging further development and creating opportunities for advancement in this field. I'm confident that after this intensive week of work, you will gain new knowledge and a deeper understanding of AI. You will also form new friendships and establish numerous connections with your colleagues and professors. Finally, I hope you will enjoy your stay here and have the opportunity to experience our way of life, culture, and nature. Thank you. And I wish you a successful and fulfilling European Summer School on Artificial Intelligence. Good luck to all of you.